Hello and welcome to the first video from the Inhousediner. Not actually a diner, but I'm in my own kitchen. So what I'm going to start with, I'm going to do a teriyaki salad with spaghetti courgette and Parmentier potatoes, and I'm going to make teriyaki sauce. So I'm going to start by making the Parmentier potatoes, which is diced potato. It's going to take about 45 minutes to make the Parmentier. So what I'm going to do in the meantime, I'm going to set them all going. So I've got diced potato, good glug of olive oil, some chopped garlic, and oregano. So I'm going to put that in the oven, 200 degrees, for about 40-45 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm going to make you the quickest, easiest hot cheese sauce there is. So I have a tub of double cream, so on the hob. I'm going to use the biggest ring, but I'm going to turn it right down because you do not want to get the cream too hot or too curdled. What you must do is you must constantly stir. So I'm going to just put that into the pan and warm it 3 to 4 minutes gently. Just making sure that it warms through but doesn't boil. And I'm going to just toast some pita bread in the toaster. As I say, this is my first video. I have a Facebook page, I have an Instagram page. Facebook is at Inhousediner, Food by Lee Air, and Instagram is at Inhousediner. So while this is warming through, I'm just going to go through the ingredients for teriyaki sauce. Very, very simple. I have mirin, soy sauce, granulated sugar, and some minced ginger. Simple sauce. So once small bubbles have started to break the surface, what I'm going to do, I have some high quality blue cheese. I'm just going to put that about 3/4 in. Turn up the heat a little bit just so it melts through the cheese. Keep stirring. If you use a creamy cheese, what it will do, it will help the cream get a little bit thicker, a little bit quicker. You can warm the cream and thicken it first and then pop the cheese in. I prefer this method. Everybody has their own way. What I'm going to do is just turn up the gas a little bit more, making sure I'm stirring all the time. Once it's started to thicken up, what I basically like to do is add the rest of the blue cheese in breakable lumps, because you don't want it completely melting. You basically want to have a few lumps in there. Stir, 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 stir. Take it off the heat. It's ready. Well, it will be in a good few minutes. Once it cools, it will thicken up a bit more. When it's in the pan, basically you need enough to coat the back of the spoon, and that way you know it's going to be nearly ready. Nearly finished with the pita bread. So toasted pita bread. And there you have it, hot cheese sauce and toasted pita. As my Parmentier potatoes are nearly ready, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by making teriyaki sauce. Very, very simple. Equal measures of soy sauce and mirin, and granulated sugar to taste, and a bit of minced ginger. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put the heat on the pan. Got my trusty old egg pan, so in goes mirin. In goes the soy sauce. In goes the ginger. If you don't like ginger, you don't have to put it in. I quite like ginger. You may not need the sugar, depending on how sweet your mirin is. Basically, what you need to do, just let that reduce. There's a bit of a gap, but depending on how hot you get it and how thick you like it. All we need to do is test it. The sugar, and add a little bit of sweetness to the teriyaki sauce. So add, reduce, taste, add more. All that's reducing away nicely. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make my courgette spaghetti, tomato, unwilted baby leaf spinach salad. So all we need to do is olive oil in a wok. Let that heat up a little bit. In with the courgette spaghetti. And just need to let that cook through and brown. So it's nice and soft. You can make it obviously restaurant quality, restaurant finish, however I'm using basic kitchen accessories and implements. If anybody wants to send some my way, feel free. I need a little bit of pan. I like to smoke while I go mental. It's starting to go liquid. A little touch more. flip it, you can see how limp it goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off the heat, put it to the back, and let it finish bubbling. When they started to go soft, and they heated all the way through, add tomatoes, a little bit of oregano, about a minute, don't need anything more than that. These are baby plum tomatoes, we can use any tomatoes. For a minute, in with your baby leaf. Your baby leaf will disappear quite quickly if you've never popped it in the pan before. Good old stir. And that's it. Off with the heat. Run away, run away, run away. On with the plate. Now, you may be thinking I've forgotten something. No, not quite. Parmentier. On the top. Teriyaki. There we have it. Teriyaki Parmentier salad.